Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the current input timing is not supported by the monitor display windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Now, ideally, it will ask you to change the resolution, but here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane, scroll down, and then you can make sure that the scale is selected at the recommended value and the display resolution at the recommended value. And obviously update the driver. So search for device manager, open device manager, expand the list for display adapter drivers, right click on the first one and then update the drivers, right click on the second one and then update the drivers. See, that's how easy it is. Now, about changing the resolutions, I will recommend against that because it can cause issues in your computer. So don't do that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.